ASS Opti M pipe weld purge system by Holzer ASS is available in 3 different versions and was specifically developed for pipe weld purging in pipelines with small diameters. It is suitable for internal pipe diameters ranging from 43 to 97 millimeters, thus bridging the gap between simple pipe plugs and larger pipe weld purging systems. Triple lip sealing discs provide sealing inside the pipe. The entire pipe weld purge unit is permanently bonded, meaning that only the sealing discs need to be changed when adapting to different pipe sizes. The Opti M Flex version is equipped with a flexible connecting hose. This design offers high mobility of the pipe weld purge unit without compromising stability. The Opti M Flex system is particularly suitable for applications where flexible guidance of the pipe weld purging system along the pipe route is required. The sealing discs of the Opti M series ensure a stable fit, even in pipe bends or complex pipe routes. The Opti M Single system functions like a pipe plug, providing a fast, simple and secure solution for sealing pipe ends. This version also offers a straightforward solution for single-sided purging, ideal for applications where only one side of the pipe needs to be sealed. In all ASS Opti M versions, special sintered metal inserts ensure optimal and efficient gas distribution inside the oxygen-free pipe purging chamber. The Opti M Flansch version was specifically designed for welding flange connections. On one side of the system, instead of the usual sealing discs, there is a hemispherical seal that reliably seals the flange area. The ergonomically designed handle greatly facilitates handling during installation. This design ensures precise purging, even in flange joints. The ASS Opti M series is also available in a practical storage case, which can be individually assembled upon request.